Welcome class 4. It is your EVS class and we already started our Nandita in Mumbai. So now we will continue from page number 140. As we know, everything Nandita was shifted and migrated from a small village to Mumbai, and she found lots of differences in her lifestyle which she was leading in the village, and now she was in a Mumbai. There was very different kind of lifestyle, but she was adopting all the things. Now there is learning new things, whatever she has learned new things in page number 140. Every day I go to the hospital by bus to see my mother. At first I was too scared to get into the such crowded buses. I was not at all used of it. I was afraid, but now it is not like that. I know how to stand in the queue, where to get down, where we stay. There is a tall building nearby. My mommy work in 7 houses. She washes utensils and cleans the house. One day I went with her there. So maybe her mommy was working in a flat, or maybe she was working in a building where there are so many apartments and the flats. So it was a very first time in her life she has seen such a tall building. And when she went there, she have seen first time in her life she has seen the lift also. So but I found there was a many houses on the top of the another, and I was wondering how I could climb up many stairs, but there was a lift to make people up and down. It was like a big iron cage with fan and light and even a bell. So many of us got into a lift. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. So according to the number of the floor, her mommy and the other persons, they press the button and they get up. So this way she experienced the lifts, how the lift goes up and how the lift goes down, and in which floor she has to go. She learned the new thing. What the thing? The use of the lift, and how a person can and another thing she has learned, how to get the bus, which number bus she can go, how to make the queue, which were not common in the village, but in Mumbai she has learned all these 3 things, how to lead the life in a big city. Now, do you know anywhere was admitted to the hospital? So it is your own experience. You will write it down. How many days was he or she in the hospital? You will write. And who was looking after the patient at the hospital? Naturally the nurse and the parents. Have you seen a tall building? Yes, in our city. How many floors did the building have? These all of your own experience. You will write who are living in the flat or who are living in the apartments. They can write their number of the flats of their own building, number of the floors of their own building also. Another house. Mommy took me to the Bablu's house. His house was on the 12th floor, so he was living in the 12th floor. It was too high. What a big house it was. One to sit. There were so many rooms. One to sit, one to eat, one to sleep and in, one to eat in and one to sleep in, and one to cook in. Their toilet were also in the house. It looks mommy a lot of time to clean the Bablu's house, but she could work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen, so it was convenient for her mommy to wash the utensils in the kitchen. Bablu put a bucket under the tap to fill water for his bath, but he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. So it was a very unkind and it was a very wastage of natural resource. Bablu should not do this type of act because he was wasting the water. The water is coming from the tap, but it is from the tank, but tank is filled by the fresh water and good water, so he was wasting the water. It was not at all a good act. Wherever few of the people are not getting the drinking water, and in the same time he was wasting the water in its bathroom. Mommy told me to look down from the window. As it was a 12th floor, when she looked down at the she became scared. And from up there, everything below looked like a small toys. I was quite afraid. So she became afraid and scared. Now when Nandita came first Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to? Write it down. So the page number 142. Now page 142, question 1. When Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid of? She was afraid from crowded places. She became afraid, crowded places, boarding on the bus, boarding on the bus or lift, look down from the higher places. Look down from higher places. These all were the things by which Nandita became afraid. Now in page number 143. So the page TEXT textbook. Okay, page 143. See the first question. What were the differences between the house where Mama lived and the house in the high-rise building? They were airy and good, and their house was not so good. Now discuss why there were differences. So discuss why there were differences. So answer: Nandita's mama had less money he could not have, so he could not hire or purchase costly things. Okay, so why there was any difference? Because the persons who were living in the flat and apartment, they had lot of money, whereas Nandita's mama had less money, and so he could not hire or purchase costly things. Now you see, draw a circle around the kind of house you live in. There where any water come from your house, so you will write where it is from the tap, where it is from, do you have the electricity. Now minutes to walk to the bus stop, school, market, post office, hostel. So page 143. Other questions are homework. Other questions of page 143 is your homework, because these all are on your own experience. Now a new worry. What about the new worry? Why she become worried about the thing Mama had said? Now page number 144. So Mama had said that he would take me around to see the Mumbai. The children around there talk a lot about the Chowpatty. Chowpatty is a sea beach where lots of eatable things are being sold there, and that is a very funny place because people go there for taking the sun bath, having the bath, and there are so many stalls are there. You can eat fuchka, you can eat bhel puri, you can eat ice cream. There are so many stalls. So everybody love that Chowpatty. they say that big film star also come there. Maybe when I go there I might be to see a film star. These days mama is so worried I cannot ask him to take me to the chapati because her mama become worried due to some reason. Last week some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out from the place. They say a big hotel will be built there. Mama was saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years he has to change his place. Now another corner of the city, they were providing a house, but it is very far away from their place. Another corner of the city, there were no water supply, no electricity. I don't know even if any bus goes there or not. How will mama reach his workplace from so far? How much money will be have to spend and how much time also, and mommy will get some other work there or not? If mama moves to a new place, how will I will able to visit my mother is not even completely well yet. So what was the reason of her new worry? As some notice came from the court that, as I have told you in the earlier of this chapter, that people who are migrated from the small town, from the small city, they come to the new place and they occupy some unauthorized places which are actually belong to the government or some other private property dealers. So they occupy that and they live there, but when the time comes, the court gives the order to vacate those places, because when they started some project like hotel, some marketplace or some kind of other building, when they make, that time these poor people have to vacate the place. But government never provide them to live in a good places. There should be some system of providing them at least one room accommodation in any corner of the city, so that they can also survive nicely within their room, and there should be proper sanitation and water system should be there. But government are always just give them out from their places, and they give the notice. This is the third time in the mama's life that he had to change the place, and it was very difficult for him, because he had to not only change the place, again he has to come to the his working place. And it was so, whatever the place was providing by the government, what was the place was providing to them for living, it was far away from that place, and the mama's working place was nearby that place. So maybe he will get the proper bus system, maybe he will get the proper local train, bus, and whatever the convenient system, whatever the transport system he will get. Even her mommy was working there, how they will again settle, how they will get the job. These all were the things which were irritating mama, and he was worried about them, what to do and what he will do. Even Nandita was also worried, because this route she become familiar how to go to the hospital, but even if they go some another new place, it will difficult for her to accommodate there and to know the new route. So it all become very mess, and it was very difficult life they were leading there. It happens to the persons who migrated from their village and a small town to a new place, if they don't have any proper accommodation to live and do not have any proper job. So this is the scenario of today's life, and we are ending it here with this Nandita's problems. And this is a story of the Nandita, but these are the problems of the common men who are migrated to the new city or new places, where they do not get the proper place to live and to eat, and the proper jobs, and even the sanitation, each and everything is a problem. So within these difficulties, even they have to lead their life. So that's all for the day, and I have completed this chapter, and the next day we will write the question answers of your activity book. Okay, thank you. That's all for the day, and have a nice day.